Okay. Flat file database and relational database. Everyone attending the class online, please be attentive in the class. And write down the question answers. If you are not having book, write down the question answers in your rough copy. Quickly. मैंने पीरियड के बाद चेक कर लेना लंच ब्रेक में कि किस किसने रफ कॉपी पे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स नहीं लिखे हैं. What is database? Name the two types of database. You mark in your book, you will write in your rough copy. Anchi, give examples of flat file database. MS Excel. That is example of flat file database. MS Excel. What do you mean by flat file database? Don't go for the definition in book. Just give me answers with your understanding. A flat file database in which you can store the data without any relationship. Okay, you can store the data in different tables, but you cannot relate the tables together to get the common piece of information. आप दोनों या दो या तीन tables को आपस में relate नहीं कर सकते हो, आप उनमें से common information extract नहीं कर पाओगे. Individual tables में, worksheets में, you can store the data only in the form of rows and columns, but you cannot relate the tables, you cannot create the relationships. Flat file database in which data can be stored, records can be stored in different tables, but relationships cannot be created. Okay, do not go for the definition which is exactly given in book. ये नहीं कि वो गलत है, but please understand the answer, then give answers. Okay, what do you mean by relational database? In which we can create the relationships. ठीक है, जो flaw है flat file database में, that we cannot create a relationship, but in relational database we store the data in various tables, in several tables, and then we can link those tables together by using a common field or to extract the common piece of information. We can have one column from one table, two columns from second table, two columns from third table. We can relate all the tables together to get a common piece of information. Clear? Okay, what are the examples of RDBMS relational database? Oracle. Okay. Anyone online? What are the examples of relational database? Unmute yourself and give answer. Kavesh. Anyone? MS Access, Sybase, Oracle, Microsoft SQL. What is the full form of DBMS? And what does R stands for in RDBMS? Question here. What does R stands for? To give only one word answer, relational. Relational Database Management System. Okay, what is DBMS? What is DBMS? Application software used to create, modify, and extract data from a database. And what is RDBMS? It provides facility to create relationship between tables using a common field. Okay? What are the various components of a database? Components or objects of database. Two terms are there. Components of database or objects of database. Four objects of database. Any database will have tables, forms, queries, reports. Tables. What are tables? Building blocks तो हैं. They store data in the form of rows and columns. Tables are the basic object which will store all the data in the form of rows and columns. What do you mean by forms? user friendly interface to enter, view or edit data. डाटा एंटर करने के लिए, डाटा को व्यू करने के लिए या डाटा को एडिट करने के लिए, रिकॉर्ड्स को एडिट करने के लिए वी कैन यूज द फॉर्म. Why it is user friendly interface? Because it allows you to have see only one record at a time. ठीक है, आप सपोज करो किसी रजिस्ट्रेशन कर रहे हो कहीं, to get a form to enter the information, right? Because you are not allowed to view all the data which is stored in the table, which is you are not allowed to view the all the users information of all the users. So you get a user friendly interface. You enter the data in a form, your username, password, first name, last name, date of birth, right? Mobile number, email ID, alternate email ID. You get the information. You enter the information. Information is stored in the basic table. जो उस form के साथ related table है. But you are not allowed to view all the information, right? That is why forms are created. One, it provides a user-friendly interface to enter the information, because आपको अगर टेबल सामने खोल देंगे कि ठीक है जी टेबल में एंट्री करो, तो दैट विल बी एक तो वो बहुत ज्यादा रिकॉर्ड्स आपके सामने आएंगे, आप वो सारों को व्यू कर सकते हो. सेकेंडली, सिक्योरिटी कोई नहीं है, एनीबडी कैन व्यू द डाटा. थर्ड, it will be difficult to enter data in the multiple columns, but it is easy to enter data in a form. ठीक है, queries, retrieve or extract the data from database based on some condition or criteria. आपका पूरा database है, 1000 employees है, 1000 employees का data table में store है. You want to view the employees of any particular department, or you want to view the employees who had joined in a particular year. So you are specifying the condition, you are specifying the criteria which can be used to extract the data from database, to view the data from database. Instead of searching each and every table, or instead of searching all the information, table open किया सारे बीच में search कर रहे हैं. No, give information, give condition, give criteria, it will give you the result. That is called query. Reports. What do you mean by reports? In a presentable manner, in a printable format. To present the data, to show the data in a printable format, which you can take the printouts. अब आपके students का record है, result है, marks enter कर दिए, table में marks हैं, but you want the report of each and every student separately. That will be printed by using the reports. Reports will be created based on a table, and it will present your information in a printable format. What are the elements of table? Fields, records, data. Fields means columns in a table. Records means rows in a table. And data means values in each cell. The information we enter in each cell, that is called data. Okay, what are the various features of MSSS? One, it is a powerful RDBMS, Relational Database Management System. Second, it is a component of MS Office package. MS Office package का component है. Organize the data in the form of tables. Provide facility to create relationships because it is an RDBMS. Prevents duplicity of data by providing the primary key feature. Primary key feature is there so that you can avoid the duplicity of data. It allows you to add, delete, modify the data using forms, retrieve data using queries, and print data using reports. All these features are available in MSSS. These are given in your book. Okay, I just shorten them. Sentences मैंने short कर दिए हैं. Okay, repeat the features. What are the various features? Powerful RDBMS, components of MS Office, organize data in the form of table. 4 objects हैं, चारों object का एक आप बता सकते हो. Arrange data in the form of, organize data in the form of tables, add, view or enter edit data in the form of form, retrieve data using query, print data using reports, avoid duplicity of data because we are having primary key. Clear? What are the components of MSSS window? Parts of MSSS window. Listen, title bar, quick access toolbar, ribbon, tabs, groups. These are the common components which are present in every MS Office window. Okay? Navigation pane, navigation buttons, object, tabs, and status bar. Okay? Quick access toolbar बोल दिया. Okay? Title bar, quick access toolbar, ribbon, tabs, groups, and status bar. These are the common components. Different क्या है? Navigation pane, navigation buttons, and check tabs. View buttons. View buttons पर कौन status bar? Status bar का part है. हाँ, status bar. View buttons are available on status bar. नहीं. ठीक है? Navigation pane on the left hand side on which you can view all the objects of the database. कौन कौन से tables create हुए हैं, क्या queries हैं, क्या forms हैं, कौन से reports हैं, all the objects of the database are displayed on the left hand side. That is called navigation pane. Navigation buttons at the bottom. On the bottom पे है move in between the records. आपको table के अंदर आपको रिकॉर्ड्स में मूव करना है या फॉर्म के अंदर आपको रिकॉर्ड्स में मूव करना है, फर्स्ट से थर्ड पे जाना है, सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ फिफ्थ पे जाना है. You want to move in between the records to go to the next record, previous record, first, last. All these are the navigation buttons available on navigation on the bottom of the screen to navigate in between the records. Object tabs. What are the object tabs? They appear in the work area. They show you the opened objects. Like आप web browser Google Chrome use करते हो, multiple websites open करते हो, multiple websites open करते हैं simultaneously. तो आप जितनी websites open करते हो, आपको same window में अलग-अलग tabs नजर आते हैं at the top. Similarly, when you open the objects in Access, चाहे वो table खोला है, चाहे मैंने query खोली है, या मैंने दो tables open किए हैं, एक form open किया है, जितने objects open है, all the objects will be displayed at the top of the form of object tabs. जैसे browser में आपकी different websites के tabs appear होते हैं, similarly tabs will appear for the open objects. What do you mean by contextual learning? Contextual tab. Sorry. What do you mean by contextual tabs? When we work in a particular object, okay, the tabs that appear when we work in a particular object. आपको याद होगा अपने पावर पॉइंट या वर्ड में पिक्चर इंसर्ट करते हैं तो पिक्चर टूल्स में टैब आता है अलग से, फॉर्मेट चार्ट इंसर्ट करते हैं तो आपको डिजाइन और फॉर्मेट टैब्स आते हैं अलग से, स्मार्ट आर्ट इंसर्ट करते हैं तब भी अलग से दो टैब्स अपीयर होते हैं. ठीक है, वर्ड आर्ट इंसर्ट करते हैं अगेन टैब्स अपीयर, फॉर्मेट टैब अपीयर होता है. व्हाई? टू फॉर्मेट टू हैव द ऑप्शंस ओनली रिलेटेड टू दैट ऑब्जेक्ट व्हिच हैज बीन इंसर्टेड. ठीक है, तो जो टैब जब हम उस टैब को ऑब्जेक्ट को सिलेक्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं, वर्ड आर्ट में वर्क खत्म कर दिया, आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू द अनदर नॉर्मल टेक्स्ट, तो टैब डजंट अपीयर, टैब हाइड हो जाता है. The tabs that appear only when we work on a particular object, they are called contextual tab. Okay. Now, in this Access, when we open form, we get three. आपके पास अलग से tabs आते हैं to arrange with to work with the forms only. When we open reports, we get 4 new tabs to work with the reports only. To format the reports, to change the design of the report, to change the layout of the report, or to make the print settings. 4 tabs appear that works with the report only. But when you are working with table, report वाले चारों tabs नहीं आएंगे, table से related tabs आएंगे. So tabs that appear when we work on a particular object, they are called contextual tabs. Clear? What are the steps to create a blank database? File tab, new option, select the blank database option, then specify the name. Here we specify the name of database in the beginning. When we create file name in the text box and then click on create button. Clear? File tab, new option, select blank database, specify the file name, and then click on create button. What are the two ways to, what is the step to close database? File menu, close the database option. It will close only the database, but not the MSSS window. MSSS window will remain open. Only database is closed. Okay. And when we click on file menu, file tab, exit option, it will close the application, including all the databases which are open. आप exit पे click करते हो, database भी close होता है और application भी close होता है. Close पे click करते हैं, only database will close, application window will remain open. What is the extension of access database? .acctdb. Shortcut key to save. Control plus S. Shortcut key to close or quit MSSS. Alt plus F4. That is a shortcut key to close any application. Not only access. You can close any application by using the Alt plus F4. Any window which is open, you can click on Alt plus F4. You can press Alt plus F4 from the keyboard. It will close that window. If all the windows are closed, Alt plus F4 will shut down your computer. ठीक है, अगर सारी windows close है, तो it will shut down your computer. What do you mean by templates? Pre-built database focused on a specific task which can be used instantly. Focused on a specific task means sometimes suppose teacher database is already there. So that means it is focused only on the teacher database, that teacher's data. Whether they are personal information, whether there are joining information, whether whatever information is. If a database is हमने template open किया, student database. So it will have all the tables, forms and reports and queries related to students only. Student information can be there, student registration information can be there, result information can be there. Okay, so it will have the queries, reports and forms and tables ready-made available are there, but focused on only one topic. You can make the changes. If you want to make the changes, you can make the changes, you can use as it is. If it fulfills your requirement. Which view allows you to enter data in a database? Which view allows you to enter data in a data sheet view? Data sheet view. Okay. What are the three ways to save a database? What are the three ways to save a database? One is the shortcut key Control plus S. Second method is file tab save option. Third, save button on quick access toolbar. Write it. Three methods to save a database. Three methods to save a database. One, shortcut key. Save button on quick access toolbar. Clear? Note down हो गए. Similarly, three methods to open database. Similarly, three methods to create a new database. तीनों के तीन similar methods हैं. ठीक है? Open के लिए shortcut की Control plus O and new के लिए Control plus N. Control plus N for new. Control plus O for open. Button quick access toolbar, new button या open button on quick access toolbar, and file tab new option, file tab open option. Three methods similar है आपके पास. हाँ जी. Second is chapter number 4, working with tables. Sorry, chapter number 3, working with tables. हाँ जी, क्या दिख रहा है? What do you mean by data type? What do you mean by data type? Type of data that a particular field can accept. किसी field में किस type का data हम enter कर सकते हैं? That defines the data type. And we define the data type by creating the table. In a table, we define the various fields. कि table में कौन-कौन से fields होंगे, ठीक है? Then we define the data type कि कौन से field में किस तरह का data enter करेंगे, ठीक है? Why we define the data type? क्यों जरूरी है data type define करना? Explain it. Why it is necessary to define a data type? Cannot type it. Suppose करो आप एक्सेल में डाटा एंट्री कर रहे हो, आपने ऊपर फील्ड्स दे दिए, रोल नंबर, नेम, इंग्लिश मार्क्स, मैथ मार्क्स, बट अगर आप रोल नंबर वाले फील्ड में नेम भी एंटर कर दोगे, will it give any error? It will accept the data, right? तो डाटा एंट्री की जो मिस्टेक्स है, that can be there. So if we define the data type, so that means correct type of data will be entered in a particular field. ठीक है, अगर रोल नंबर में मैंने डाटा टाइप नंबर दिया है तो दैट मींस इट विल नॉट एक्सेप्ट द टेक्स्ट और एनी डेट. सपोज मैंने डेट ऑफ बर्थ का फील्ड लिया एक्सेल में, मैंने डेट प्रॉपर एंटर करी नहीं, मैंने सिर्फ नंबर लिख के छोड़ दिया, इट विल नॉट गिव एनी एरर, इट विल एक्सेप्ट दैट डाटा. बट अगर असेस में मैंने डेट ऑफ बर्थ या डेट ऑफ ज्वाइनिंग का फील्ड लिया तो आई विल गिव द डेट. इफ मैंने अगर डेट गलत भी एंटर करी है, इट विल गिव मी एन एरर whether it is a valid date or not. अगर नंबर लिख के छोड़ दिया, it will give error. अगर डेट वैलिड नहीं है, मैंने ईयर या मंथ गलत लिख दिया, मैंने लिख दिया 31 to 31st February, so it will give me an error that it is not a valid date. But in Excel, it will not give. ठीक है? Data type is compulsory. Data type is required to enter a valid data, a proper data in the database. Now, what are the various types of data types available in SS? Text, number, memo, date and time. And you have to learn, you have to read the use of each data type. ठीक है, हर डाटा टाइप का यूज, किस डाटा टाइप के लिए क्या, कौन सी डाटा टाइप किस पर्पस के लिए यूज हो रही है, यू हैव टू लर्न दैट. टेक्स्ट डाटा टाइप in which we can enter alphabets and numbers both. Any text, any symbol from keyboard, whether it is alphabet, numbers, space, symbols, anything that you want to enter, you can have the text data type. Maximum size for the text data type 255 characters. That means you cannot enter more than 255 characters in a text data type. अगर आपने name field लिया है, ठीक है, that means you can have maximum of space 255 characters. By default आपके पास, आप उसमें कम भी ले सकते हो, 50 letters, 40 letters, so it will accept only 40 characters. अब 40 characters से ज़्यादा enter करोगे तो it will give you error. Properties आती है, properties में we can define the field size. Every data type will have the properties. We can define the various properties for every field to put more constraints, to put more validations on the correct entry of data, for the correct entry of data. ठीक है, ज्यादा validations लगा सकते हैं, ज्यादा constraints apply कर सकते हैं ताकि correct data enter हो, गलतियां जो mistake है, data entry mistakes है, वो कम से कम हो. So data type, okay, what is the disadvantage of having, अगर मैं maximum size 255 character दे रही हूँ text data type का, but I am using only 40 to 50 alphabets, 40 to 50 characters, then what is the disadvantage of that? सोचो. Other space is waste, memory space waste हो रही है, because it will preserve. आपके field में उसने फील्ड में डाटा से स्पेस रिजर्व कर दिया 255 अल्फाबेट्स की, 255 कैरेक्टर्स की फॉर एवरी रिकॉर्ड. but we are using only 40 to 50 characters. Then rest of the space is wastage. That will just put a weight on your table. आपका table का size increase हो रहा है because it is reserving that space, but you are not using it. So that is why always give the field size when you give the particular data type. कि आपको क्या enter करना है, कितनी space आपको चाहिए, उसके हिसाब से अपना field size mention करो. Clear? Okay, we will continue with this revision tomorrow. Now, first chapter number 2 अभी आपने learn 3. Chapter number 3, log on to assess. Please revise it thoroughly. Tomorrow I will listen to the question answer first, then I will start revising the further topic. Clear?